So what is good guys, Adnan here, and this is the Mi Watch Revolve by Xiaomi, what I think is a better purchase decision over the OnePlus Watch, and here's why. Don't get me wrong, the OnePlus Watch is an absolutely beautiful device that I would have bought for myself only if it weren't for the price it's currently selling at. See, for 15,000 rupees, you really need to be doing something extra that all of these other 10,000 rupee smartwatches can't. And apart from the inclusion of onboard storage, I don't really see any reason why someone would pay the premium just to get the OnePlus Watch. I finally got the Mi Watch Revolve after almost a year of waiting for the OnePlus Watch, and it's been a few hours since I've been using it. This isn't a detailed review, not only because I've barely spent enough time with this thing, but also because I have never owned a smartwatch before, so this is going to be fun. What strikes me the most about both the Mi Watch Revolve as well as the OnePlus Watch is their designs. They both do a fantastic job at looking classy while also being a smartwatch. I still think that the OnePlus Watch is a slightly better design thanks to its seamlessness, but as far as the Mi Watch Revolve is concerned, I'm yet to find a more premium look in a smartwatch in this price segment. I have rather thin hands and the 46mm dial was surprisingly not too huge for me. I've never been a watch person myself, so I'm really curious how it suits me in the longer run. Easily my favorite aspect about this watch is its display, how big it is and how bright it can get. I still don't understand the need for smartwatches to have a printed set of time marks all around the screen when you can just do the same in the watch face itself, but at least it's not as apparent as it is in the Realme Watch S Pro. First time setup and connectivity was a breeze, and in all honesty, the Xiaomi Wear app is just so much better than what OnePlus is currently using for their fitness band as well as the watch. I do realize that both the wearables that OnePlus manufactures are its first generation attempts, but that's all the more reason for you to go with a brand that has literal years worth of experience in fitness tracking and wearables. The app has a pleasant UI and doesn't come with ads, that's a relief. The app is home to all kinds of graphs and statistics about your health, sleep tracking, workouts and everything else that the watch does. But what I like the most about the Mi Watch Revolve is how much information you can get directly off of the watch itself. The 1.39-inch AMOLED display is spacious enough for all kinds of graphs and information. Digging a little deeper into the interface, I was pleasantly surprised to see just how responsive the watch was. I'm certain that you'll get a little more performance out of the OnePlus Watch as well as the Realme Watch S, but the Mi Watch is a great performer nonetheless. Unfortunately, there is no support for third-party apps and the limited watch faces leave a lot to be desired. I settled with this simple analog watch face that has the day, date along with information such as my steps, battery and my heart rate. I still hope Xiaomi adds a way to customize a watch face and make it a little more personalized, since there were so many almost good watch faces that I would have used had there just been a little bit of tinkering space. Battery life as well as the workout tracking are two things that I'm excited to test in my days and weeks to come with using this thing. In conclusion, unless you really love how seamless and unobtrusive the design of the OnePlus Watch is, my advice would be to settle for the competition, either by Xiaomi or Realme. I hope OnePlus proves me wrong, but for now, 15,000 rupees just seems a little too much money when you can get the same experience for far less. That's been it, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.